Do you wish to make money while you are sleeping? Affiliate marketing, cryptocurrency, and YouTube are the three most effective ways to generate passive income. Learn how to construct a money-making machine, even if you are just starting out in the cryptocurrency world. Begin by constructing your territory on YouTube. Choose one particular crypto market area. Don't try to be a master of all trades. Make videos that are amazing by providing simple explanations, gorgeous imagery, and titles that are irresistible. If you want to be discovered, use keywords. Post on a regular basis. The next step is to become an expert in affiliate marketing. Search for cryptocurrency firms that provide affiliate programs. When promoting things that you actually enjoy, you should always be honest about the links you provide. Don't just slap them on at the conclusion of your videos, instead, weave them in naturally throughout the content. Are you prepared to scale? Instead of spending your income on new equipment, consider purchasing a video editor. Make a team effort with other YouTube creators. Tasks should be delegated. Examine your data and strive for continuous improvement. Cryptocurrency is fraught with danger. Never fail to notify viewers about the possibility of losses. Mix things up. Use only the amount of money that you can afford to lose. Remember that your reputation is everything, therefore act ethically. During my experiment with staking for 30 days, I learned the importance of diversification. Every platform comes with its own unique set of dangers and opportunities. Spread out your investments to reduce the amount of money you lose. To kick off your YouTube journey, focus on a specific niche within the vast cryptocurrency landscape. Choosing a particular sector, such as DeFi or NFTs, will allow you to hone in on your audience and become a recognizable voice. Create engaging content that isn't just informative, but visually captivating to keep viewers coming back for more. Aim for intriguing titles that spark curiosity, and remember to optimize every video with relevant keywords to enhance your visibility. Consistency is crucial. Aim to post regularly to build momentum. Once you've established your YouTube presence, it's time to delve deeper into the realm of affiliate marketing, where you can truly enhance your earning potential. Research cryptocurrency companies that offer appealing affiliate programs, ensuring they align with your content and values. Promote these products authentically, as your audience will appreciate honesty, which helps build trust and credibility. Instead of merely placing affiliate links at the end of your videos, weave them throughout your dialogue, presenting them in a way that feels natural and engaging. Make these products part of your story, showcasing their benefits as you discuss relevant topics. To truly grow your channel and your income, consider scaling your operations thoughtfully. Invest strategically in tools that enhance your productivity, such as a skilled video editor who can help bring your vision to life while you focus on content creation. Collaboration is vital. Partner with fellow YouTubers to share audiences and ideas, delegating tasks where possible to optimize your workflow. Analyze your performance data regularly. Understanding what resonates with your audience will allow you to refine your approach continually. Your commitment to ethical practices should always guide your actions in this dynamic and sometimes risky space. Understanding the risks is a crucial component of investing in cryptocurrency. Always remind your viewers of the inherent dangers and the potential for losses. Encourage them to diversify their investments, as spreading assets across various platforms can minimize overall risk. This proactive approach will enhance their experience and safeguard their interests in an unpredictable market. Lastly, emphasize the importance of maintaining ethical standards. In the world of finance, reputation can be your greatest asset. Through my staking experiment, I realized that exploring various platforms not only broadens potential gains but also helps manage losses effectively. By diversifying your investments, you lessen the impact of any single failure, ensuring a more stable financial journey in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency.